Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shivan's Tech guys, and today we are going to talk about the command is PinPoint. In S3D there is a very important command is called PinPoint. Whenever we need to measure coordinates of any point, the use basically PinPoint we use whenever we need to measure any location XYZ coordinates, when we need to set the any temporary coordinate system, or whenever we need to make any point 0 0, or we want to move any object like 1000 2000 a particular distance in any direction. So the PinPoint is the command that we can use, and that will be very helpful for you. So guys, let's start without wasting our time. So here in the menu toolbar there is a command called PinPoint. So as soon as I click on this PinPoint command, one that new palette came out. This is a complete palette related to this PinPoint command only. There are many objects, we will not go in that much deep, so it will be very confusing, but we will go the basics cover. That will be very helpful for us. So for PinPoint, we can open from there also, and we can open from tools. Here PinPoint, you can just go tools and click on PinPoint. This palette will come up. Okay, so if I ask you like you need to measure the coordinates of any point, let's suppose of this pipe and this, how we can measure? Let's suppose this pipe we need to measure. So PinPoint is having a very first command is called reposition target. Once you click here reposition target, wherever you will keep your cursor, you will find the coordinates of easting direction, northing direction, and elevation. You will find the coordinates of all three direction. Okay, so this was the coordinate set here, this is the coordinate set here, and you can take your cursor at any point and you will get the coordinates of XYZ position. Okay, to measure coordinates, it is one thing very clear. There is one option is display on off. We can do with the F9 also. If we are making it off, so what will happen? There is no line will come. You can directly keep your cursor there, reposition target. There will not be any line coming. If you make this on, and if you are working on this, so what is happening from the global point, global coordinate system, there is one dotted line is coming. So that is going to help us to understand from where it is measuring. Okay, so I hope it is clear guys. Now let's suppose I want to make this point as a temporary 0 0, and I want to move this 1000 mm down and 1000 mm east side. So reposition target, the same command, instead of taking, when we are taking it is showing us the coordinate, just click here. As soon as I click here, it has become the temporary 0 0 coordinates. If you take the reposition command now, you can see it is 0 0 0, east north elevation. Now if you select this, select nested, and you just want to move this command, so what you can do, fast move, give any point from where you want to move. Okay, and without moving your mouse, what you can do is, along with the function key, F6 F7 F8. So what we did, when we press F6 F7 F8, all three values got logged. Now let's suppose I want to change the elevation, plus 500 mm, plus 1000 mm. As soon as I enter the value and I click left click here, my object got moved to this direction. So then this PinPoint command is helpful in this way. Okay, you wanted to do some activity by measuring this as a temporary coordinate system, and you have done this. Now you want to set the global coordinate system back. So there is the next command is set target to origin. Once you click on this and you measure again, so you will get the coordinates from your global coordinates. With respect to global coordinates, you will get your points like wherever you are filling. So this is clear, I hope, to you guys. Test target to origin, this will start measuring from origin. Okay, and there is one more thing, like you can use, there are option to use the coordinate system in the pinpoint only. There will be multiple coordinate system you can keep. There will be one plant coordinate system, one global coordinate system, and one site coordinate system. There might be n number of coordinate system be using for any model. So this is the way you will have the multiple coordinate system. In the drop down you can go, by default there will be global from S3D side. You can create more coordinate system, and you can define anyone from here. So in which coordinate system you want to work, you can select from here, coordinate system. So I hope it is clear to you guys. You can define your own coordinate system, but it is definitely no use for you guys. So initially, like you can do, if you still have any doubt you want me to make, just let me know in the comment section. About this also I will make it. Apart from this, there is one XYZ coordinates value. Just select it anywhere whenever you are making, instead of without making 0 also. You can just use this. So how you can use, let's suppose I selected this pump, select nested, and I want to move this. Move. So just click, fast click. I just click here without moving my cursor. What I will do, F6, F7, F8. So all the coordinates got logged now. Now I know whatever value I want it to be go 1500 mm in east direction, plus 1000 mm in north direction, and minus 250 mm is in elevation. So as soon as I will click here, now what is happening? It is keeping our cursor here. I just clicked here, my complete model got moved. So this is a very helpful command in a live working project. I hope it is clear the use of this pinpoint. If you still have any doubt, just let me know guys. I will be happy to clear our doubts. Thank you so much. See you.